You can actually see that glow in the dark. Look at that glow in the dark. Yo, what up everybody? Today we got a special shoe, Air Force Special Edition, Space Jam Edition. Okay. So we got that black Air Force One box. You know the vibes. It's very dusty, sorry about that. Black Air Force One 07. Black colorway. LT, I guess light. Blue Fury. Size 9.5 because I was sized down for my forces, even though I could have sized up for these, I guess. And size 11, color code 001, made in Vietnam. Open it up, it's just that regular Air Force paper. And let's go through the shoe here together. So this is like the techno glow in the dark Space Jam Air Force. I really actually love this one. The designs could have been cooler, but it's still actually fire because you can't really tell that it's just basketball. You know what I mean? It could just be some futuristic shoe, you know? But it does say Space Jam on it. You see Bugs Bunny in the basketball. And are any of the other guys on here? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I love that gum. That glow-in-the-dark gum is this beautiful, whitish, greenish type color. But this one's more it's a different glow-in-the-dark color. It's very since it's the gum, it's very gummy colored, very translucent-y, more solid white almost than green. I really like it. The color slaps. It's so nice. Then you got your black Air Force, but I wanted to change it up. I was I'm not gonna get the plain. I do actually, my first Air Force I think was just a black. No, my second Air Force was a black Air Force, but yeah, I don't want to get some basic black one. I want to actually get a cool black one, if anything. So we got these Space Jam ones with the techno design throughout. You can see it's kind of this laminated layered design on it, kind of this very durable print, kind of like a print on a shirt almost, but more durable, so it won't get ripped off. So it's kind of that outer layer print. Nice stitching throughout. Space Jam on the tongue right there. I think the text, this pop-up text, also glows in the dark. And then you got more of a, what's it called? Luminescent, or I don't know, this different kind of material, how it changes in the light on the different angles a little bit, and it just kind of glows. And I think that's definitely going to be a lot more reflective right there, that little section you see. Hopefully you can see it. If you want to see more details, stay till the end. I always do a preview of all the products so you can see an actual really nice close-up of the product there. And then you got the leather swoosh on it leading to the back, the nice leather heel with some black embroidery, Nike Air. Then we got a beautiful color. I love this is the Blue Fury. Yeah, this Blue Fury color is probably my favorite blue ever by Nike. This is such a nice blue. And then it's just got maybe, I think it's this blue and the gum. That's what sold me on the shoe. It could have just had the blue and the gum and I would have been happy. So yeah, this beautiful Fury blue tag with Nike Air Force One on it. Made in Vietnam. Got one of the papers in here. And some just classic black laces. Not much else to really say about it. I really wish I remembered the name of this material. And I the material. It's fricker. When you scratch it, it goes fricker. You know, fricker. I can't think of the freaking name of it. If you remember it, comment below. But yeah. And the second one. Take them both out so I can try them on for you guys. Show you what they look like on the feet. I haven't actually tried these on yet, surprisingly. They've been sitting in my closet for since Christmas. Since Boxing Day, I think I copped these. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. That's why they've been sitting forever, but I don't know. We'll see. Decided to make the video. I'm going to try them on, then do that preview. Make sure to check the end of the video. Maybe they'd look sick with some, like, blue laces. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to support, to keep this going. I want to be able to keep buying lots of stuff to show you guys. So if you want to see that, you got to make sure to support, please. Ooh, it's an interesting, it's like a higher fit, which is nice because I have like a very fat foot, like height wise, and like, so there's like lots of room for my foot, which is actually very nice. This is a big 9.5, honestly. They're usually, like, my toes are usually, like, right at the end, but I still have toe space, even. And, like I was saying, it's, like, higher up. Maybe from the paper that was in there, as you could see. But, like, there's so much room for my foot right here. Usually it's, like, way more flatter. Like, these are a huge 9.5. I even have toe room. That's what I was saying. Like, in my other videos, I feel like the sizing is more of just, like, an estimate by Nike. There's no way for them to get the actual sizes specific to what it says, because it's just like a factory, you know? It's like with anything. So they probably just have more of like an estimate, an average, because these are like a big 9.5, honestly. Especially the year when they're made, all the different factors.
That'd be so
But that's awesome though.
awesome.
These fit so good. Now I want to keep them even more since they fit better.